Young Shy Beats.
Purchase your tracks today.
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 Young Shy Beats.
What's going on, family? Man, I hope you guys are having an absolutely awesome day. We are back in Liberty on this gray day, December day. So when I went out to Basehead Custom, shout out to my brother, man, Reg out there. He gave me one of the things I went out there to do was to get a relay from him. He had a relay with the harness and everything. And the relay that he has is a 5-wire. 5-wire relay, right? So how does that work, right? The one I was looking for was a 4. I was going to go with the 4. 5 it doesn't matter. So how does it work, right? As I mentioned before with these relays, let me see if are there the numbers on this thing. Yeah, they are. Let's see if we can see that. There we go. All right, you see at the top, you got 87, right? 87. On the left, you have 85. On the right, you have 86. In the middle, you have 87.0. And at the bottom, you have 30. All right, so let's talk about those. 85 on the left, 86 on the right. Those two wires are going to be connected to, they're going to come off of the wire for the horn itself, right? So what that's going to do, that's going to create a on and off switch. So 85 and 86 are on and off switch. Inside the relay itself, in here is a coil, right? When you energize that coil, it completes a connection magnetically, right? What connection does it complete? It completes the connection between focus, top center. It completes the connection between the top at this, the very top, that's 87, and the bottom, which is 30, right? 30 is your constant hot. Well, 30 is your in constant hot, and then, come on, 87 is your switch, right? It goes, that constant hot goes through there, so that will be grounded out, right? That's how you complete the connection and create the energy. So you got a constant hot coming into 30. You have a line coming out of 87 going to the horn, right? To the hot side of the horn, or the positive right here. And then you take the ground one, the negative, and you ground it to the chassis. Now, what is the center 80? It's usually called 87A. This is 87O. What does that one do? Well, that's a constant on, right? So that's where the switch is all the time until it's energized. Some people put a light on it. Some people put, it can be used for a light to let you know that it's not energized, that the circuit is open. It's a light to let you know that that circuit is open, that what is connected is not on. and it can be used for, like we're using for the horn. It can be used for fan switches. It can be used for a numerous amount of different things that has an on-off switch. That requires high power. That's the other thing. These relays allow you to use a low power circuit to energize and accessorize a higher power or 12 volt circuit that comes straight off the battery. So if you have something that requires way more energy and your current system doesn't allow for it, you can use a relay to source a 12 volt circuit. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some wiring, and yeah. Man, I guess it's that season. You get these trucks in the driveway every day. So what we're gonna do from now is we're gonna build our wiring harness the way we want to. That's going to consist of, I broke out these circuits because I thought about making something that I could connect local, disconnect and connect local from here. But this is going to ground. This is only going to have only one wire coming off the circuit. So I'm going to, I'm plotting out how I want to make this work. So we're going to connect this to the wiring harness of the relay. This is going to be 86 and 85. From there, we're going to take a 30 and we're going to run it off this junction box I got right here, which is it has constant 12 in there. So we're going to run it off that. And then from there, we're going to take 87 and we're going to run it off the hot here. Yep, that's fine. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Be safe. Have a good one, brother. And then from there, we're going to, we're going to take the 87 and we're going to run the power, run that directly to here.
Young Shy Beats.
We're going to get a ground for this and ground that to the chassis. I got a ground right there that we can go directly to. So, yeah, man.
Purchase your tracks
Or we
today.
could just run it right off the battery ground. But I want to ground it off the chassis. So I'm going to grab one of these existing grounds that I have. We're going to run off of that and call it a day. So let me build a
Young
wire
Shy
first and show you what that looks like. And then we'll go from there. Give me a second, guys.
Purchase your tracks today.
Young Shy Beats. Young Shy Beats.
Purchase your tracks today.
Young Shy Beats.
What's going on, family? Yeah, man, we're making good progress. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. So we got the positive and negative from the horn itself going into 46 and 47. I like using these, man, to bring wire together. You heat them up, this thing shrinks and this melts. It's solder. Kind of cool. Can't use it all on, so we have to use clips. This clip here, I added, this is going to the positive on the horn. I added a ground here. I'm gonna run back to the horn. This is the ground coming back to the horn. I got positive going to the junction box here. And then now we put everything back together. Watch it work. Let's see if it works. Hopefully we successfully pulled this off. So y'all give me a second and we'll see if we can make this work, man.
Young Shy Beats.
Purchase your tracks today.
Young Shy.
All right, guys, so I got everything wired, right? So let's talk about what we did. We got this negative and ground, positive and ground going to the horn itself, right? From there, that's going from the switch, the horn switch. When you blow the horn, it comes through here, makes the connection. This yellow is, let's go back. Let's not go to the yellow yet. When we make the connection, we bring this is our 30 switch, right? So that's line 30. This goes a pin 30. This brings the power in, right? Once the connection is made, power goes out through this yellow, which is 87. And then, of course, 87A we're not using. It's going to be terminated. And then we have a ground to the car so that we can have we complete the circuit, right? Let's test it and see if it works, guys. Oh, God. Oh. You know what we need to do? We need to put the relay in the harness. Yeah, we need to put the relay in the harness. Let's turn it around. Plug that in. I know, it happens. Let's see if it works. Uh-oh, wait. Oh. Gotta connect the battery on. We need a battery connection. Yes, sir. We are in the business. We are in the business. We got a loud horn. All right, guys, give me a second. Let me clean up everything, put it back together, and, not show y'all. Well, we'll, show you what it sounds like from a little bit of a distance. Well, guys, we got it done. Now, it wasn't that hard of an install. I think the biggest takeaway from this is I probably should have went with my first mind and executed on the relays right off the bat, right? I tried something, trying to be slick, I guess. Seeing what we could pull off. And didn't work. Thank you to Reg. Appreciate you, Reggie. Hooking me up with the relay and the harness. It got me what I needed. And crazy part is, if I just took the time to look, I had a relay in the box. Doesn't have a harness, but I could have created connectors for it. No big deal. I'm just about to pull back. We'll see about, I guess it's about 50 feet away or so. See how this horn sound, guys.
Young Shy Beats.
Hey, man.
Shy Beats.
Liberty bringing that heat. I know y'all see this piece of bag. Man, I had a trash bag sitting right here when I came home, and I fooled around and pulled too close to the garage when I was pulling in, and I didn't see it, and ran over there and had this piece of plastic sticking from under the car. No big deal, we got it. But anyway, Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
Young Shy Beats.
My camera's probably filthy. Kind of too late, huh? At the end of the video. But anyway, man, listen. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, going through this journey.
Young Shy
Let me get this real quick. I know I talked to one person that said they wanted to put an air horn on their car because they just wanted something louder. The one I have is this.
Young Shy Beats.
And as you heard, this thing is loud. And guys, let me tell you how it echoed. Oh my God.
Young Shy Beats.
It echoed through these trees back here. That thing sounded like a semi from back. Man,
Tracks today.
I'm curious to see what this sound like on the video, but
Young Shy Beats.
hopefully the video did it justice because it's loud, guys. It is very, very loud. Sheesh. Listen, man, you know how we do, bruh. We don't do the normal around here, baby.
Young Shy
Why is
Beats.
that, man? Because we were designed for greatness. Because you were designed for greatness, guys, you have the right, the responsibility, and the authority to never be average. So, guys, don't be average.